Hello everyone and welcome back to our EigenTx tutorial series. Today's focus will be on our unique feature, the Multi-Txs in one chart, and we'll be discussing when you might find this feature particularly handy. Let's illustrate this using the back-run transaction from our second use case in the EigenTx booklet. Begin by entering a hash into the search bar derived from our first use case, which involves simple arbitrage. By clicking for block, you'll gain access to the related transactions page for that particular block. Here you'll notice transaction 5 highlighted, which is the arbitrage transaction itself. Transaction 3, however, details an attack exploiting a vulnerability in the Nomad bridge, which culminates in cashing out 300 WBTC and causing a significant price deviation in the WBTC and WETH pool of Uniswap VS2. Simultaneously, a secondary arbitrage is being conducted by the same searcher in transaction 6. Now, copy each transaction and paste them into the search bar. After each hash input, hit return to store them in the search bar. Once you've done this for all, you can search for them together. Note that the numbers inside the squares now represent the sequence. At this stage, our token flowchart allows you to view 3 distinct transactions separately, complete with detailed information. With EigenTx's feature, you now have the power to merge these transactions into one comprehensive chart by clicking on View Multi-Txs in one chart. Just one click provides a panoramic view of these 3 transactions. In the merged chart, you'll notice a change in the numbers within the squares. We use a combination of letters and colors to distinguish between transactions. In our example, all the steps occurring in transaction 1, the first hash we input into the search bar, are marked as A and are highlighted in green squares. B and yellow denote the second transaction, while C and purple represent the third transaction. Regarding the edges colors, we use consistent coloring to mark the transfer, minting, or burning of the same token. For instance, ETH transfers are represented by blue edges, WBTC by green, and WETH by yellow. As enthusiasts in the DeFi space, our EigenTx tutorials and comprehensive booklet are your gateways to enhanced knowledge. Remember, we're the wisdom of DeFi. If you find value in our content, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement drives us to produce more tailored content. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. See you in the next video.